give it a photo, and here's the result.
The AI revolution in video production is reshaping the industry
by automating editing processes
and enhancing creative capabilities.
Or upload your own video and turn yourself into a talking avatar. Plus, a bunch of insanely cool features that make creating faceless channels, podcasts, and more as easy as pie, which means you're literally one simple step away from making serious money on YouTube. Because today, I'm showing you a platform that doesn't just help you create amazing avatar models, it actually takes it to the next level. This platform brings everything together so you can launch your faceless YouTube channel quickly and start making money. It can clone you, voice and all, so you won't even need to record new videos anymore. It can translate your videos while keeping your exact same voice, and yep, it can turn a single image into a hyper-realistic talking avatar. This AI is a powerful alternative to Hagen and other platforms, ready to compete head-to-head. It can dramatically help you grow your channel quickly. I'm Daniel, an experienced 2D and 3D animator. On this channel, I explore AI tools for content creation, especially in animation, and share my insights with you. So stick around. And if you enjoy this type of content, your likes and subscriptions really help us out. After you click on the link in the description and head over to the Wondershare Verbo website, you can start by downloading the software for free for Windows, Mac, or even Android. But if you're not a fan of installing software, you can also continue online directly through the website. Once you enter the web version, you'll immediately notice that this professional tool can guide you through the entire process of making a video from start to finish. Before we jump into the main point of this video, let's take a quick look at the tools available here. There are 4 featured tools right on the home page for quick access: avatar video, talking photos, URL to video, and video translation. Each of these has its own set of powerful tools inside. In the AI tools section, you'll find even more practical tools, like the AI video generator, which lets you create videos from both images and text. The text-to-speech tool is great if you need to create voiceovers fast. You can also import your own voice and have it cloned, so you can just type in a script and it'll read it in your voice, like super easy and super useful. There are also some other tools like Export Avatar Only, Video Ads Maker, AI Clip Generator, and AI Montage Maker, all designed to boost your workflow and take your content to the next level. Now let's start with Talking Photo, one of the coolest new features in Verbo. Here you've got access to lots of pre-made avatars in different styles. If you like one, go ahead and use it. But if you want something more unique, you can create your own custom avatar right here. You got 2 options. First, you can generate a character image with just a simple prompt. Verbo gives you 4 different options. Pick the one you like or regenerate until you're happy with it. I'll go with the second method and upload a pre-made image I already have, because from this point on, the steps are the same either way. Here you can crop the photo and select the part you want to use. Click confirm and wait for it to process. There's a really cool tool here called AI Portrait, which lets you place your character in different scenes with various outfits and styles. Anyway, to move forward, click Add Motion, then Start Training. Now here's the magic. Your image is not just a talking head anymore. It gets actual dynamic motion. Now it's time to write your script. You can either write it yourself or let the AI help you out. Just give it a topic and it'll generate a full script for you. You can even translate it here or use an audio script if you prefer. Then pick one of the many voiceovers available on Verbo.
Hey lovelies.
Attention students.
Immerse yourself in a world of...
You can also add subtitles and background music to make your video more engaging. Now let's check out the results together.
The AI revolution in video production is reshaping the industry by automating editing processes and enhancing creative capabilities. Algorithms empower content creators to craft high-quality productions efficiently and precisely, setting new standards in video creation.
Next up, let's explore the AI avatar video feature, which you can find right on the homepage. Again, you've got two options here. First, create with AI. You can upload your own videos and give Verbo either a full script or just a topic. Then you choose the aspect ratio, language, and duration. Now comes the avatar. There are lots of avatars available in different categories and styles, but if you're not feeling any of them, you can create your own. In advanced mode, you can get a super high quality avatar within 24 hours, but there's also a quick create option that still looks great and delivers results faster. Just give your avatar a name and upload a video that matches the specs shown on the right. You can even choose to have the voice cloned from that uploaded video. Click generate and boom, your custom avatar is ready to use in your videos.
Welcome to Wondershare Verbo. Generate engaging AI video in minutes.
Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the fantastic world of animations made with AI. Imagine a cheerful boy wearing his goggles and scarf, ready to embark on an amazing adventure. Here, watch as a friendly bear shares delicious berries with playful little kittens in a sunlit forest. Next, we meet a whimsical blue teddy bear.
If you want to be fully hands-on in the video creation process and design everything yourself, you'll want to go with the second method. Let's click on Create Video. As you can see, there are plenty of settings and tools here, but I'd like to start with choosing an avatar. There are so many options that I'm sure you'll definitely find the character you're looking for. There are male, female, young, old, and a variety of races and nationalities to choose from. The avatars are also categorized by video concept, so you'll find characters wearing different outfits and styles. You can even using the talking photo feature. By clicking on the avatar, you can change its appearance, choose to display it full screen, as a circle or half body. If you're not using full screen, you can also change the background to match your video style and get the output you're aiming for. You can also adjust the avatar's position on the screen and even add entrance or exit animations if you want. In my opinion, the standout feature is the fixed backgrounds, which are designed to look incredibly realistic and high quality. I'm going to try this one, but if you want your avatar without a background, you can pick from the other options. Now, let's move on to writing the script. You have two options for this. Either write the text yourself and paste it here, or ask the AI to generate it for you. When the script is ready, it's time to find a suitable voiceover. This section offers a wide range of voices, and you can use the filters to make your search easier. By hitting the play button, you can hear your script read aloud in the voice you've selected.
Welcome to Tutstick, your channel for mastering AI tools in content creation.
Alternatively, you could upload your own recorded voice or any other voiceover you have and sync the lip movements with that. Here's a really cool feature. You can clone your own voice or anyone else's. Just upload a 50 to 90 second sample and it will create a personalized voice for you to use in text to speech. If you hit the CC button, you'll see the subtitles on the screen. To tweak the details, just click on the subtitles and adjust them from the top of the screen. You can customize the subtitles to your liking. If you want to add a new scene, you can do that here as well. You can choose a new layout or pick one of the many templates available, each of which can be fully customized to fit your needs. On the left side of the screen, you'll find sections that can make your video more engaging. The highlight here is AI generation. Here you can take advantage of AI text to video and image to video features so you won't struggle with B-rolls. In the text section, you'll find different styles to add to your project. Once added, you can customize and even animate them from the top of the screen. Next up are stickers, which I think you'll find fun and useful. There's a lot to choose from, all neatly categorized for easy access. For background music, there's a dedicated section offering a diverse and extensive selection to enhance your videos. The import section is for adding images, clips, or audio that you have separately and want to include in your video. Once you're satisfied with everything and feel like your video is finalized, just click export to produce the final video, and that's it.
Welcome to Tutstick, your channel for mastering AI tools and content creation. Our tutorials will help elevate your creative projects. Get ready to transform your workflow with cutting-edge techniques. Dive into the world of AI and unlock your creative potential.
In my opinion, if you want to work professionally and speed and quality in video creation matter to you, this software can be extremely helpful and beneficial for you. Don't forget, I put the link in the description, so be sure to check it out and give it a try. Until next time, stay creative.